Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Sign into your Microsoft account right away and check your balance so you know how many points or gift card dollars you have. Once signed in, open the store page and verify the region. Purchases depend on matching store region and account. Make sure a valid payment method is linked. This prevents errors during checkout and lets you top up if points fall short. If using a gift card, redeem it now so funds appear before you attempt to buy a game. Search for the game you want and open its product page. Read platform and edition details so you buy the correct version. Once done, click Buy and pick your payment mix. Prioritize gift balance or Microsoft points first to avoid unwanted card charges. If a promo or bundle applies, add it now. Make sure tax and regional pricing are visible before confirming. Double-check storage requirements and download size so you don't confirm the purchase and watch for the download to start or appear in your download queue. This confirms the transaction processed with your points. Once downloaded, verify game ownership under My Games and Apps. If the download stalls or you see duplicate charges, check order history first and then sign out and back in to refresh entitlements. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support with your order ID. They can trace point usage in reverse or reapply credits quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.